So check this out. I came across this shoemaker. Well, he's not just a shoemaker. You've got to see what he does with this pair of sneakers. He takes a pair of sneakers, a pair of all-star Converse sneakers, and takes it to a whole new level. Now, his name is Sergio Alberini. He lives in Rome, Italy. That's where his shop is. But look what he does with this pair of sneakers. His workmanship and craftsmanship is just outstanding. He measures everything, and everything is so well done. Look at this pair of sneakers. Look what he does with it. Just hang in there, bear with it. You'll see. Look, every stitch is just precision. He's not just a shoemaker, this guy is an artist. What he does with this all-star Converse sneaker is amazing. Watch, keep watching. Look what he's doing. Look, check this out, watch. Look. Wow, that is amazing. That is just unbelievable. Sergio Alberini, man, true mastery. Ta-da! Welcome to Fashion Premier Academy. Design your future now.